Let's take a look at a pattern so you can start to become a little more familiar with them. Your pattern is going to have what round you're on or what row you're on. You can also see that there are some instructions in brackets. The brackets indicate that you're going to need to repeat everything that's in them. You'll read the pattern from left to right, following the directions as you go. When you hit the second bracket, you'll see a number of how many times you need to repeat that specific sequence. The last number we see is in parentheses. This number signifies the total number of stitches in that specific round. Here we have the same instructions, but using abbreviations for the stitches. SC meaning single crochet and ST meaning stitch. It is very common to have abbreviations used in patterns. At the very beginning of your pattern, you will usually see a key or a legend to tell you what exactly the abbreviations stand for. These instructions are telling us to do a single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochets in the stitch after that. You're going to repeat that 6 times for a total of 18 stitches.